Kamron Johnk. Worked for Oberg Farms out of Glyndon, Minnesota. It's 24-row, 22-inch SoilWarrior. Just putting the fertilizer in a strip, make it easier for next spring and less passes. Instead of, in the fall after you combine, like soybeans here, you'd come in and chisel plow it, and then in the spring you'd have to spread fertilizer. So that's 2 passes already, and then you'd have to field cultivate it, that's the 3rd. And then you gotta plant it. Well, now, after we're done combining, we just strip till it, and then it's ready to go in the spring. You just come in with the planter. I like the strips. Looks nice, and then in the spring it's not gonna blow either, so keep that dirt where it's supposed to be. Once I knew that the boss was gonna go and maybe purchase one, I got pretty excited about it. I've done a lot of research online about it, and seen what other guys were doing, and increase of yield, and just everything was better, and I agree, and it's been proven and shown. So I'd just say go ahead and do it. You won't be disappointed. And anybody from ETS, they'll walk you through, and they're pretty good at answering their phones, and when we need parts or help with something, they're right there, and pretty good service.